fix Fortnite keeps crashing. So to fix Fortnite crashing, you can just turn your device completely off, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on to clear temporary memory. Now the next what you can do is tap this tab at the bottom left corner of your screen to open the app switcher. Then swipe away all other open apps to free up RAM before launching Fortnite. Now the next thing what you can do is make sure that you have plenty of free space, as low storage causes sudden game closures. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you are on Android device, just go to your Android device settings, then scroll down and then find apps, then find Fortnite from the list, tap on it. Now go to the storage, then tap clear cache at the bottom right corner. Now the next thing what you can do is go to the existing Fortnite app on your device, then tap and hold on it, then tap the eye icon located in the top right corner of the pop-up menu, then tap force stop at the bottom right corner of your screen. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.